Okay, so there's something wrong with my Anang DM850. My sister actually got this from Temu, and I used cable management by using a 9-volt power brick and it's powered by a DC jack, barrel roll DC jack. And I'm just gonna show it to you, and I'm just gonna troubleshoot it. As you can see, it's plugged in right now. I'm just gonna put this on a diode setting thing. It's over there. And see what happens. Oh wait. I just pushed the probes back in. As you can see, the screen fades. So, it's a bad sign. It happens every time. Watch. See? I'm just gonna turn it off, unplug this multimeter, and remove the probes. And by the way, these probes, except for this the black probe's tip is loose. So I'm just gonna unscrew everything. Here it is. There's the bead. This bead is actually for the knob. So I'm just gonna plug it in and just turn it on. It's already plugged in. Oh my fucking god. Done. See if it works. Oh my god, it's working! Yes! Let's go! Ignore for the minus symbol flashing, ignore for the minus symbol and the battery sign, but it still works. Let's go! Finally fixed it. Now I gotta put the probes. So, I'm just gonna edit the whole video and end the video.